No, God, please. Ang old kong notebook, starting with I'm kinder. Drawings. Even drawings. But the space natin kaya ngayon, kuha na natin yung old. Let's mga space. Oh my goodness, that's scary. Naganito lang ako. But let's start. Okay, unang start natin with something gusto kong nice car. Have a successful day. See you. Siya. Those skibidi toilets na. Toilet speaker man injured. Okay, kailangan ko mag-restart ng pangit. Damn. Just using pencil. Nakaupo. Yung sombrero niya, tinanggal niya. Itong speaker man, walang pagkay, nagsasayaw lang. Yung nagano ng music. Yeah, hindi na ang help yung Titans. Next, what? Next is, iyo. Oh, Mom! Okay. Chill. Okay, but nothing now is not skibidi, but multiverse, and I want to know something like Clackman. Let's do that. I'm looking up. Okay, pero gagawin natin si Clockman one at a time. Clockman with cameraman pala. I am done. Pero guys, itong gawa ko 21. As okay. I'm gonna give this. Let's go. It's very not good. It's 6. Now it's like pencil man, and with the POB do this. Done. Kinuha ko lang si pencil man, but nagkuha siya ng thumbs up because thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe like this. And ducks. We have extra space, so ducks. Next is ibang is kay pan with the egg kasi nagluluto. pan with egg. See? Ang dali lang. Pataparabam. Wait, let's see all this drawing ko. Before. Oh. This is ang drawing ko. Okay, atong drawing ko. Ito ng drawing kalaro. Okay. I kind of hate that. I did such a not good job. Not good job. Okay, gagawin ko yung pinakamalakas na taas sa buong mundo. Kaya, yung ganito lang, hindi yung body. Okay. Kaya basta malakas. I'm done. Tama niya ang sa astig. Tumuga. Strong na pagka-strong. Sana ko? No. Goodbye. May drawingin ako na kailangan nyo gawin right now. I'm done. Ito ang dapat nyo gawin. Subscribe, like, bell. Hit the bell to get notified. But I'm not done yet. Sabi ko lang, subscribe, like, hit the bell to be notified. But is it? Aha! My famous thing in the world is out. Oh! A big piece of tree with apples. Ang favorite ko, apples. So, let's add apples sa tree. Good luck. Good luck me pala. Finally done. Look. Ako yan. Wait a minute. Baha na ako. Apple. And I'm not done yet. That's all. There's more. Ito, sana.
Ay, hindi sa
One.
power crane sa pinakatuktok.
Hindi nyo dapat gawin.
Ay, no, sa pinakatuktok doon.
Ito, ang dapat nyong gawin.
Yan, yan.
Itong dapat nyong gawin.
Hindi ka mapapatay.
Hindi ko pala gagawin ko. Hindi nyo dapat gawin. Ito pala. Shark in the water.
Ayun to,
Ha, 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 ha. Let's go. I'm done, but yung stick figures. Oh my goodness.
Putik, di ko nabunot yung ano ko. Mag-7. Oh boy, ay ba?
Not.
Wala ba ang
Not.
may mga silencer ako dito?
Not good. Not good drawing at all. What? This one. Go. And shut him. But I wanted to say something na iba na lang. Yeah. Iba na.
Wala? Stop na yun?
Let me think.
Gusto mo?
Games na gitag. Let's go. Guys, I'm done, but yun, kung may missing TV, forgot kung anong tawag dyan, PS5, and forgot ulit. Oh my God! Nafu-forgot ko lahat. But that's though a fruit. Not again. Hindi ako kakapag-isip na lang na healthy. Tulad ng Go Foods, Glow Foods, Grow Foods. Ano kayo gagawin kong Grow Foods? Isang Grow Foods na gagawin ko. Isa lang Grow Foods. Tamaan. Okay. Beans. Okay, dalawa kasi binara ko kasi dalawa. Ang ganito. Beans. Who eats beans? Comment niyo lang. Pero ako, hindi ako nakain ng beans.
Sana all nabubuhay.
I need to mew. That was sus. Nah. I want just, let's do superhero. Oh, maybe bug. Ano lang, insect. But, anong klaseng insect? Spider! That, isa yan sa mga fears ko, spiders. Ayaw ko sa spiders habang maliit, habang pinakamaliit sa spider. I don't like it! Kaya, gawin ko na yung biggest fears ko. Okay. Even though, ang date nito. Third ko, mas kitty cat.
Uy, ang tagal.
But, I think, but, I need something like, kaliwat. Wow! Soda. Let's go. Okay. It's in soda can. Ta-da. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! See? Soda can. Soda can. Soda can. Diba? Soda can. No. Like and subscribe. Oh my. Kung anong gagawin. Wait. Perfect plan. Pull stickers. Stickers everywhere. See? Stickers. Paano humans this? Paano ka realistic tong humans? Por. You see?
Walang buhay yan. Hindi. Lumabas siya, walang buhay yan.
But,
Patay tuloy. Papaikot. Walang
wait,
buhay yan eh.
yung score is,
May dagan doon sa...
ilalagyan ko yung sticker.
Diyan.
Okay, ilalagay ko sticker ang number 6. Yung 6, doon ko na. You want to see that? Bye. Boom.
Magani ko, no?
Bye. See? Okay. See? A magic. See? Gan. Badam. Okay lang yan. But, special. That's the topic of instincts. Pag nagustuhan yung video na to, make sure like and subscribe the bottom and at the bottom at i-hit mo yung bell para to get notified. Bye!